So this video is kind of the closing thoughts section of chapter 14, and it's page 584. So there are a wide range of different therapies that are available to help anybody who has any psychological symptoms or psychological disorders. Psychotherapy can help provide insight, help people to develop more effective behaviors and effective coping strategies, and can help people to change their thought patterns. And then biomedical therapies can also help people to deal with their psychological problems and help them to live more normal lives. Now, today, people are being helped by a combination of the psychotherapy and a psychotropic medication or a combination of psychotropic medications. So I want to take a moment and just talk about what's right for you. If you or a loved one is dealing with a mental health issue, you're not in it alone. It's not up to you to have to figure all this out. You don't have to do it by yourself. You can enlist the help of some sort of a mental health professional. And that person can help you determine if psychotherapy would be best, if you need psychotherapy and perhaps some sort of biomedical treatment. That person can walk with you in this journey and help you with this. They can help you figure out the best plan of action. They can help you decide what you need in terms of medications, should you need those. They can help you decide how often you should be going to therapy. They can help you with all of this. They can assist you with this process. So if you or a loved one has any mental health issues, you can seek out a mental health professional. And we've talked about the differences in them. You can go see an LPC, a licensed professional counselor, LCSW, licensed clinical social worker. You could also go see someone who has a PsyD, who's doing clinical counseling. So it's up to you who you choose to go see, but they can help guide you through the process. They can even help you determine if you need psychotherapy and, for example, biomedical treatment. Even if they can't prescribe it for you, they can link you up with a psychiatrist who can, or perhaps talk to your physician who can. Sometimes if we go to our primary care doctors and we say, hey, I'm suffering from depression right now, or I'm feeling anxious, they will just prescribe medications and not suggest psychotherapy. And as you've read throughout this chapter, one of the key things is that psychotherapy piece helps make the long-term changes. Medication kind of works as almost like a temporary band-aid. It doesn't change whatever is occurring to cause those feelings. So for example, a person who has severe depression related to various things, or for example, PTSD related to a history of abuse or something like that. The medication will help them to be able to cope through life, but it doesn't help them change all those thought processes and everything else to help them to be able to move beyond. So just kind of a little added thing here. You can go to a mental health professional and they're more than happy to help you. And if you say, I want medication as well, they can help you with that.